Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tech channel. In this next video, I'll be showing you how you can check the password of your Wi-Fi on your Windows 11 PC. Now, the first thing you want to do is to come to the search bar and just type in settings and click on enter to go to the settings interface. So from here, you're going to click on the network and internet option and then click on Wi-Fi. On this page, just click on manage known networks. Here you are going to select the desired network that you want to check the Wi-Fi, and in my case it's going to be this very one right here. So the next thing from here is to scroll down to view Wi-Fi security key, and then just click on view right here, and on the pop-up is your Wi-Fi password. So guys, that's how to go about checking for your Wi-Fi password on your Windows PC. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like and share, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel.